Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and transcript. Open the Captions workspace so panels match this workflow. Once your clips are in the project panel, drag a clip to a new sequence. Make sure audio is present. Then import the transcript file or paste text into a new text file so it's ready. Next, select the sequence and open the text panel. This prepares Premiere to align words with waveforms, so you can generate accurate captions quickly and avoid messy rework later. Now you generate or attach the transcript. In the text panel, choose Transcribe sequence if you need auto-transcription, or create captions from transcript to import existing text. Make sure you pick the correct language and speaker detection options. This improves alignment. Once done, use the timeline waveform with the captions overlay to nudge misaligned words, split long lines, and merge short ones. Use the razor tool to break audio at natural pauses. This makes captions readable and synced when viewed. Finish by styling and exporting. Use the essential graphics or caption settings to set font, size, color, and background opacity so text is legible. Then export captions as a sidecar file, SRT or VTT, or burn them into the video via export settings. If words still drift, retranscribe with different accuracy options or manually edit problematic sections. Sometimes splitting a clip at a speaker change fixes alignment. One key tip: if timing jumps, zoom in and drag caption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.